That's it's through the Joseph Priestley Association, which we get a little money now and then, which helps us to provide notebooks and sugar and all that. Helps us to pay for what we have to buy. And it's called the Joseph Priestley Association in recognition of, you know, Joseph Priestley, I guess you know who he was. He was an Englishman, of course, by birth, Yorkshireman. He was, as by profession, he was a nonconformist minister. By vocation, he was some scientist, philosopher, rebel, wrote a historian. Eventually, like everybody tries to do too much, tries to do what they believe, he got thrown out of it, and then he ended up in the city of brotherly love in Philadelphia. That's where he died. One of the last things he did in England before life was made too unpleasant for him, he started a new school. It's called a new college in Hackney, just in the outskirts of London now. It's part of London, in which science was going to be taught, amongst other things. And he laid down in very simple terms what it was, and why it was, how he was going to teach. The opening address he made when he was at school was opened in 1792. He explained the principles on which the school would operate. And I have a copy. And it was that which partly inspired a group of teachers and educators and scientists and others to form this group to promote this notion. And that's the Joseph Priestley Association, which I think is on the flyer you had about this course. It said it was sponsored by the Mellon Foundation. Now, you all know Mr. Mellon, Andrew W. Mellon, tycoon of 19th century tycoon in America, right? And Joseph Priestley was 18th century non-tycoon in England. And so between them, this is the Mellon-Priestley operation. They're our sponsors. Now, the Joseph Priestley Association, its aims, its purposes are spelled out here. It's really rather to put into practice some of the things, some of the necessary conditions to do what Joseph Priestley had.